Hi guys, today we're going to show you how you can actually lock out gears on the 10-speed automatic with any of our Bi-Turbo, Everest and Ranger variants. So what you'll see down here on the shifter, there is actually a plus and a minus button. Now there's no settings or anything here, so although it can be done, a lot of people don't know how to do it. So what I'm going to do, as I'm in drive, I'm going to press the plus button just with my thumb. On this left screen in front of the driver, it's actually going to bring up a new display. So the orange number is what gear I'm currently in. The top number is how many gears it's enabled. Now, keeping on that screen, if I press the minus button, you'll see that top number is actually dropping. So currently, I've locked out the first 5 gears, and the vehicle when I take off now is only going to go up to gear 5. This is perfect if you are towing something really heavy and just want to sort of limit the amount of gears the auto will go through. It's also really fascinating, even if you're not locking out the gears, if you just press that plus button to actually be able to see what gear the car is in, because you can watch how good this 10-speed auto it is at changing gears, especially that it doesn't have to go through all 10 gears. So now we're going to take off.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
We're in gear 3. See, normally it would be changing up right now. We're now in gear 4. We're in gear 5 and it's no longer going to change up. If I press the plus button, now it's enabled gear 6. Press it again, it's enabled gear 7. And then just keep going all the way up till the 10 gears are back and you're back to normal.